Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you a Tuya knife that I previously made an unboxing. So firstly let me once again show the official distributor for Europe that I bought it from. So here are the information. So it is writingturningflipping.com. You can also call them if you like. If you are from Europe. This is a excellent smaller German company that is providing really great customer service and has on stock Tuya knives and also a few other brands. So what I would like to show you in this video is the Tuya knife Bruiser. Comes really nicely packaged. They give you also a cloth. So this is right there in the middle as a product line. They also have on offer a high-end full titanium with M390 blade steel versions, but not with this knife. This one comes only in G10 and Micarta. Okay. So we have a really nicely finished and executed blade. So we have a overall length of 21 centimeters or 8.27 inches. The close length or the handle length is 12.5 or 4.92 inches. The blade is 9.3 centimeters or 3.66 inches. Made out of D2 with a hardness of 58 to 60 Rockfall with a flat grind. Has a false top edge. The width of the stock of the blade is 3.5 millimeters or 0.14 inches. The weight comes in at 144 grams or 5.1 ounces. As I mentioned, this model variant, so the Bruiser, comes in few handle scale variants. So you can either get a G10 or a Micarta. And this one is the Micarta. Then you have a green and a red color option available. Has skeletonized liners. This is a liner lock construction and rides on ball bearings really nicely and smooth. So this is how it comes from the manufacturer. So no lubrication was applied by me, no modification. So I try to give you my complete honest opinion and a picture of the knife as you can get it from the factory. Has a nice detail on the pivot. So the milling comes with a really nice executed pocket clip. So this is a fold over deep carry pocket clip. Let me show you the pocket profile. So it rides really nicely and smoothly. no much pressure needs to be applied, and this is how much it will stick out from your pocket. So and I really like when a knife designer, a company really puts thought into design, and also probably they have tested it because lots of great companies make great design, great knife, but then they put a really bad pocket clip on the frame. So like I afterthought, and this is really a shame because if the pocket clip is bad, then you just don't want to carry the knife, or you don't have the enjoyment like you would have if you had a really nice pocket clip. Needless to say, I have to also point out that this knife would really benefit if they would apply a wire pocket clip, like for example Spyderco is using, because for a EDC carry, the pocket clip is really important to be able securely to retain the knife in your pocket, but also quickly and without much resistance to take it out. So as you can see there, medium pressure is applied, so this is really nicely executed. It has a G10 backspacer, so partial backspacer here. Has a partial acid stonewash finish on the not grinded part of the blade, so on the flats, with a D2 marking and the company logo. And like I mentioned in my unboxing video previously, Tuya knife did use this old logo style, which is probably taken from the AVP, so Alien vs Predator movie, and they quickly choose to remedy that, and using probably some kind of 3 Tento style blades. Really nice. And I must say they are really great people, nice to communicate with. I will put the link down below for the USA distributor also. Little centering, I don't know if you can see that because the top is acid washed, but really nicely executed, perfectly centered. So now let's see some size comparisons. Okay, so here we have a Spyderco Endura 4. Here is a Delica. Bug Vantage Pro. Kershaw Skyline. One of my favorite Tucson knives, the 111. These will be excellent in Micarta. So I hope Tucson will produce in the future Micarta version knives. Okay. What have we here on the table? Okay, so here is a small Griptilian, a large Griptilian with Micarta scales, Buck Sprint Pro, also in Micarta but in burlap, Strider SNG, And price-wise, a little bit more expensive, the Max Ace Samurai, also in Micarta. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about the price. You are looking at around 65 to 75 euros, which is the price that I got from the German distributor. Obviously, the lower price is for the G10 variant and the higher price is for the Micarta. You can go and check out the pricing down below, because that is always subject to change. Let me show you really quick the grain of the Micarta. So this is a really interesting, nice and fine grain compared with the, what I say, so your standard brown canvas Micarta that you usually see on knives. Compare it with the burlap, which is much coarser and bigger grain. And here is also the Chinese Griptilian. Just quickly the sharpness test. So let me zoom out. Okay. Really nicely sharp. Sorry about that. Okay, so the conclusion, in my opinion, really excellent, great design for the EDC and also for the money. If you like Micarta like I do, then this is one of the must-have knives for your collection. Design-wise, I have really nothing to say about. Really nicely executed. They give you a fairly decent cutout for your finger. The flipper tab is decent. You can apply decent amount of pressure, so it will fly open without any problems. The D10 is really nicely dialed in, so this will not open by itself. Probably one minus that I would pick out if I could, but this is not to be negative about the knife, is the blade finish. So the blade finish is a really nice offsetting grind, beautifully executed, but for an EDC knife I would prefer to have a nice stone wash or even acid wash. They could kept it like it was done here, but obviously this is a much nicer presentation. But for the EDC aspect, so day-to-day, everyday use, hard use, it will be much better to have a stonewash finish, just because the stonewash finish will really hide some marks and dings and the usage of the knife. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, then please please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knives and gear oriented, but I try to also put a different twist on my channel, so try to find new things that I could review and share them with you. Okay, so I hope you have a wonderful day and see you soon. Bye.